Hi everyone, I'm Joan Cabarrus and welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. We will sculpt lots of dog breeds with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hello everyone, welcome to my sculpting show. Thank you for tuning in and please keep watching so you will find out which dog we will feature today for our polymer clay sculpting. In America, October 22nd is National Make Your Dog Day. Perfect! Here in the Doggo Bake community, we love to spoil our dogs. Most of the time, we reward the dogs with great treats. Meats are so good for them. Here in the community, we're big into training our dogs. So every time each dog performs some skills or the commands that they were asked to do, we give them treats. Either way, we're always making the dogs their day. How about you? What are you going to do for your dog today? Today's episode is Dalmatian. She is our dog that is aspiring to be the best piano student in town.
Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful.
A celebrity.
Hi, thank you.
Oh my gosh, I need your autograph.
Me too.
Sure.
When is your movie gonna come out?
Yeah, cat power.
I know you've been waiting for
We
this.
can't miss the movie premiere.
The movie will come out tomorrow, actually.
We cannot miss that, Corgigo. I've been waiting for this.
I know.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, these two dogs are so into celebrities. I hope these dogs are not worshipping other dogs. That's not healthy. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to sculpt a Dalmatian today. So I'm gonna call Dalma now. Dalma! Dalma! Come up here. I'm gonna sculpt you now.
Oh no, Joanne is calling me now. I can't stop staring at her.
Let it go.
I hate to leave.
So much for
Just admiring her as I go. Lucky you, Corgigo. You get to stay with her longer.
See you later, Dalma.
Corgigo, the autograph.
Oh, may I ask you for your autograph, please?
Autograph.
Good job, Corgigo.
Of course you may. Here you go.
Joanne, the cat superhero is downstairs.
What? A cat superhero?
Yeah, the main cast of the movie Cat Power.
Oh, that's who's you're admiring down there. I thought it's a dog celebrity. And I've never heard of that movie before.
Because it's a new movie.
Do you think a movie titled The Doggo Bake Power is possible?
Mommy, something's flying. It's a bird. No, it's a plane.
It's a dog?
I don't know. Sounds interesting though.
Okay, enough of this imagination. I'm gonna start sculpting now. Let's show them how to create a Dalmatian.
Dalmatian Power.
Prepare your supplies. Polymer clay, toothpicks, brush and baby oil, and any tool with rounded tip. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake books, and the Dalmatian tutorial will be found in the Doggo Bake book too. Whoa, that was awesome. That's actually very simple dog breed to sculpt or to create with polymer clay. As you all know, Dalmatian has a lot of black spots. Okay, I have a question. What kind of animal resemble this kind of dog breed? It's not a dog, but when you create this animal with this kind of specific colors, what would it be? A cow, yes! And that's it. That's it for Dalmatian. Remember to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn 60 dog breeds to create. Please subscribe to my channel. Click that bell on the right side so you can follow the future episodes of the Doggo Bake Show. Thank you for watching. See you again next Friday for another dog.
Rifa!